All right, this is Big Dogs Porting over here, and we're back here with the 347 stage 3 Street 347 build. We have our stage 3 347 cam. We have Howard's cutting our cams, Howard's cam. So it's a billet camshaft, a small base circle. The specs, let me let you guys see the specs to our cams. Our stage 3 347 for you guys that's interested. Not gonna show you that. Yes, not gonna show you that. It's no real secret, but for this video, we're not going to reveal the specs of our camshaft. I can tell you that it has about 590 left, intake and exhaust, at 50 thousandths. You're looking at about 290 advertised on the intake, somewhere around 290, 300 on the exhaust, sitting on a 113 load separation angle, 108 intake center line. But usually, depending on the application and the intent, we degrade our cams in our crate motors, and we also recommend, to our customers who's running our stage 2 302 cams, stage 3 302 cams, and our stage 2, stage 3 347 cams. Depending on the application, we'll recommend, a certain degree, advanced or retard, depending on the application and the part selection. So for this build, we're going to degree the camshaft in this 347 to take advantage of the terrific flow capabilities of the stage 3 GT40 intake manifold and the stage 2 ported Brodix cylinder heads. So that's going to allow this motor to have tremendous low end and mid range torque, but also it's going to be able to rev, past 6,500 RPMs with no problem. It's going to make tremendous horsepower, and it's going to have pretty good street manners as well. The customer is going to be running a Ted Jenkins tune, and for the dyno, we'll be running a Ted Jenkins tune as well. We're gonna dyno it the way the customer is going to get it and run it in his car. EFI setup, 80 millimeter throttle body ported. Stage 3 intake, stage 2 Brodix cylinder heads, the ported shorty stainless steel headers. We're also going to run 3-inch exhaust extensions with collector extensions, and our 3-inch version of the mufflers that we sell. So it's going to be set up on the engine dyno the way it's going to run in the customer's car. So we're going to go ahead and slide this bad boy in and get the motor put together so we can go ahead, drop it off at the dyno facility. Speaking with the dyno guys, the owner of the dyno shop, they have quite a few motors there that's getting dynoed. So we'll just drop this off. We are pretty busy, so we'll just drop it off and let the dyno guys know what we're looking for. We're not gonna push it too hard on the dyno. Gonna break it in, let the guys break it in, set up a tune, looking around maybe 36 degrees timing, 12:8 to 1 air fuel ratio, and let them do their thing. So stay tuned. See you guys at the track.